さんに誕生日のパーティーに招待されました。
正解！すごい！よくできた。
I just learned that yesterday was a day called Blue Monday, and I can definitely agree to that. It should be the worst Monday of the year, and I think, the year is not so long, but it was a pretty bad Monday, you know? At least my classmate got the umbrella for me, but I had a headache all day, I got my period, and I just wanted to sleep early because I just was feeling physically unwell, so I kinda showered and went to bed. And suddenly that one friend I wanted to cafe with texted me and basically just stood me up. We talked it over, so I'm not sure whether I'm still mad or not, but fact is I'm not going to the cafe today that I was looking forward to for 3 weeks, I guess. Was the number one thing I looked forward to when I boarded the plane and was unsure about everything. So I'm kinda really sad right now. But I still got the little Shirota with me. Shirota. Yeah, and my other friend will go with me sometime next week. Because I had to change the date online. Yeah, I'm still in pain. And I have to go to school now. Especially to retrieve the umbrella. It will be fine. And then I just nap and maybe stay home tomorrow. With Hirota. Yes. Bye-bye.
Kick.
Hello guys, well, I'm late today and I got a message that I have a kanji test today. もう漢字できない。やばい。So I now have to hurry to the train station and get to school. So
What's up to end this game? You better give up.
jetzt Kick.
I successfully moved. I'm a bit lonely right now. But I'm fine. I just sound horribly sad right now. But hey, Shirota, Shibata. At least I could take everything. Like, we in the end went by car because, like, this boy here was too fat. So we couldn't take it by ourselves. And I have this chocolate brownie that my friend gave me. Sugoi! OMG, this like literally pulled me out of my slump right now. I can connect my controller to my tablet and play Genshin in bed on my tablet. Yo, I got that console for 7 years, and I didn't know I could connect my controller to anything else, and it was so easy, like...